Cellcrete itself, very simply put, is a mixture of cement, EPS, expanded polystyrene, which can be in either virgin or recycled form, cement, water, and additive, which we call Lurium. The additive, in fact, is the binder, which gives it its strength, its fireproofing capabilities and qualities, and you end up with a product which is not only green, given that potentially most of that EPS can be recycled EPS, but you end up with a highly insulative wall structure, which in the tests that we've carried out is 3 to 4 times better than a brick wall, comparative width. So we were amazed because initially our initial discussions were focused primarily on the block aspect, and we thought this would be a useful arrow to our quiver in terms of low-cost housing, inner city rejuvenation, gap housing, etc. As things moved on and we signed our JV with our Norwegian partners, it came to our attention that there were further arrows which were to be added to the quiver. The main one, in fact, being in the form of a load-bearing panel, wall and slab system. And in one of my visits to Norway, and subsequently, we've watched a development which is now in phase 4 grow. And effectively, one can build a 3-story structure out of Cellcrete panel walls, Cellcrete panel slabs, going up 3 floors. So it's load-bearing. And that in turn has been approved in terms of our Agrimark certification. Another spin-off out of that, of course, is in terms of the likes of inner city rejuvenation, where you could use either the block or, in fact, we have a non-load-bearing panel, which is very easy to erect. The main advantage of Cellcrete, apart from its lightness, its insulative qualities, antifungal, etc., is speed of erection. And this is where it certainly comes to its own, and I believe is remarkable, particularly in the southern Saharan context. We have imported 3 plants, which we've converted into mobile plants. It consists of a 6-meter high cube container, and within that container is the mixing plant, which is imported from overseas, and everything essential to manufacturing Cellcrete. So effectively, within an hour of landing the plant on site, which comes in via rollback truck, if you have power, 3-phase power and clean water, you can be manufacturing up to 100 to 120 cubic meters of Cellcrete per day. What in fact happens is that the plant which mixes the Cellcrete also pumps it. So we are able to pump horizontally in the order of 100 to 150 meters and vertically 5 to 10 floors. So if you can imagine the traditional method of, say, constructing a 10-story building and there's brickwork involved, you'll pull in the big trucks with the bricks on them, or whatever it is that you're going to utilize for the infill panels, haul them up to the top floor or wherever it might be, install them. With Cellcrete, you actually place the molds on the floor, let's say it's the 10th floor, you pump them, you strip within 24 hours, and you're actually laying the product within 48 hours. So it has remarkable advantages in terms of time and speed.